What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and the device we're looking at today retails at just £229.99 in the UK, and you'll be really surprised at how much it offers at this price point. Of course, it is the Honor 8X, and a big thanks to Honor for partnering with me on this video. And you'll notice that we've got two devices here, and that is because we're going to be giving one away. Details of the giveaway will be towards the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Now the box is nice and minimal. We've got the Honor 8X logo here at the front, the left as well as on the right hand side. Let's go ahead and get it open. Presented with the device right away, of course. We'll put that to the side for just a second while we see what else we get inside the box. And inside the box we've got a SIM card ejector tool, we've got a clear case. Now that's really cool that you get a clear case out of the box, so you're not going to even have to spend any more money on a case. And as well as that, we've got a power brick and a USB Type A to micro USB cable. Now let's get to the devices. We actually have two colors which are available here in the UK. We've got the black. Just landed here on the table. Whoa, that's sticky. It's kind of like not letting go. There you go. And then we've got this blue, which I'm really digging the look of. Now this device feels really premium in the hand, and that's because we've got a metal frame with 2.5D glass at the back. This glass is constructed with 15 layers, and it gives a very unique look when the light and the colors refract. You can see that depending on the angle the light hits this back glass, it's going to give you a different look, and I'm definitely digging this. Turning the Honor 8X around, you'll notice one of the key features of this device, and that is this massive 6.5-inch FullView display. Now you might be thinking 6.5 inches, isn't that going to make this device huge? Well, not really, and that's because we've got a similar size body to a traditional 5.5-inch display device, and that's thanks to these super minimal bezels. We've got just a bit of a border around the device with a small notch. Now this notch, if you're not a fan of it, you can hide it using software, and you'll still have useful information such as your time, battery indicator, notification icons, all tucked away at the top. Now this display also has a full HD plus resolution, so that gives it a PPI of roughly about 397. What that basically means is details are going to be very sharp and clear. Now some devices that have just over a 720p display are triple the price of this, and that is absolutely insane. Just goes to show how much you're getting for your money here with the Honor 8X. And another thing I've just noticed is that you do get a screen protector pre-applied, so you're not going to even have to buy a case or a screen protector. These things already come included. Now within this notch here at the top, you've got the earpiece as well as a 16 megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.0 aperture for your selfies. This camera also supports a portrait mode, which is going to blur the background. And around the back, you actually have a dual rear-facing camera setup. The primary camera is 20 megapixels with a pretty wide f1.8 aperture. Once again, that is really impressive at this price point. And the secondary camera is 2 megapixels, and that's going to help with depth information for your portrait mode shots. Now you'll also notice here AI camera, and that is because you have AI built in. And this is going to help recognize 22 categories and 500 scenarios in real time to enhance your images. And we've also got a fingerprint scanner here at the back, and it is super fast. Just check this out. Tap, we're in. Lock it, tap, we're in. But if you don't want to use the fingerprint scanner, you do have facial recognition. So you can use face unlock here too. So you can just point it at your face, swipe up, and you're in. Super quick. You can see that it's locked. Point it to my face, swipe up, boom. Very, very quick and easy, and it's nice that you do have multiple options. Now taking a look around at the bottom, we do have a 3.5mm jack. Now this is something that we're not seeing much of these days, and that means you're going to be able to use all of your standard earphones with this. You're not going to have to go out and buy any dongles or anything like that. You've got your primary mic. You've got a micro USB input and a bottom firing speaker. On the right hand side there's a power button as well as the volume rocker. At the top there is a secondary mic, and on the left hand side we've got a SIM card tray. Now this SIM card tray has space for 2 SIM cards as well as a micro SD card. So the device comes with 64 gigabytes as a base, which is really good as it is, but you can expand that storage by up to another 400 gigabytes with a micro SD card. Now, dual SIM devices traditionally have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a micro SD card. But on the Honor 8X, you can have 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. That's really, really cool. Now that's all of the outside. What about the internals? Well, the Honor 8X is powered by the Kirin 710 octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM, and you also have a GPU turbos, which is going to be really helpful if you're somebody who likes to game. And if you are somebody who likes to game, then I'm sure battery life is also going to be a big concern for you. But that's nothing to worry about because the Honor 8X has a massive 3750 mAh battery, so that should keep you going all day long. For software, you do have Android Oreo with EMUI version 8.2 on top. And I think you do have to agree with me when I say, for all of these features that you're getting, this is a very, very competitive price point, £229.99. You could buy 2 of these and still be saving lots of money on many other competitive devices out there. And if you do want to pick one of these up, then I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. What do you guys think of the Honor 8X? Definitely drop me a comment below as well and let me know your thoughts. Now, as mentioned towards the start of this video, we do have one of these to give away to a lucky viewer. Entering is super easy. There's going to be an Instagram post linked in the description below. You need to go onto that. You need to be following myself, SuperSaf, as well as UK Honor. And then you need to drop a comment on that post, tagging 2 of your friends. And that's it. That's going to give you a chance to win one of these. All of the details, terms and conditions and everything will be linked within that post, so definitely do go ahead and check those out. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications for lots more content like this. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Honor for partnering with me on this video. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.